Hey guys, welcome back to iCloud-Go. Stuck on iPhone locked to owner without the Apple ID? Don't waste time erasing the iPhone again. The activation lock will still come back. In this video, I'll show you which methods can actually remove the lock and which ones only provide temporary access. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the previous device passcode. Check the activation lock screen for Unlock with Passcode. Tap it, then choose Use Device Passcode if it appears. Enter the passcode previously used to unlock the iPhone or iPad. If it's accepted, you may be able to continue setup without the Apple ID password. This is useful when the device is yours and you still remember the old screen passcode. However, the option does not appear on every device. If you don't see it or the passcode is rejected, move on. Method 2. Ask the previous owner to remove the device. If you bought a second-hand iPhone, contacting the previous owner is the most reliable solution. They don't need to meet you or share their Apple ID password. Ask them to open the Find My app or sign in to iCloud.com/find. They should select the locked device. If it has not been erased, choose Erase this device and wait for the process to finish. Then select Remove this device or Remove. Once it's removed, tap the back button on the activation lock screen. You should then be able to sign in with your own Apple ID. This is a permanent solution because the device is removed from the previous owner's account instead of bypassing the lock. If the seller refuses, return the iPhone and request a refund. Method 3. Use DNS bypass for temporary access. If you can't contact the previous owner and only need limited online access, you can try DNS bypass. It redirects part of the activation process to a restricted web menu, but it does not permanently remove activation lock. Go back to the Wi-Fi network screen. Press and hold the side button to bring up the network information option, then tap the information icon. Select Configure DNS, change automatic to manual, delete the existing address, and enter an available DNS bypass address for your region. Save the settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi. You may need to restart the iPhone and reconnect again. If it works, an iDNS page will appear with limited web-based features. The original Apple ID remains linked, so this is only a temporary workaround. Method 4. Remove activation lock with 4U key. If the device rightfully belongs to you but you've forgotten the connected Apple account, you can try 4U key. It mainly supports certain older iPhone models and iOS versions, so check compatibility first. Download and install 4U key on your PC. Open it, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock, and connect the locked iPhone. If the device is supported, click Start. 4U key will put the iPhone into recovery mode. Then follow the on-screen instructions to enter DFU mode. Keep the device connected throughout the process. Once ready, 4U key will begin removing activation lock. Results and available features may vary by model, iOS version, and removal process. If you experience network issues afterward, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, iPhone, Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Which method worked for you? Let me know your iPhone or iPad model in the comments, and tell me which activation lock screen you're seeing. If you have other Apple lock issues, share them below. Subscribe to iCloud-Go for more iPhone and iPad tips. Peace!